Tanks pressing for strong back retract.
Vehicles on internal power.
Strong back lower auto sequence started.
Falcon is on internal power. Strong back will begin retracting.
Final stage 1 fuel bleed started.
T-minus 5 minutes.
Starting MVAC TVC motion.
Turning on the telemetry and video transmitters.
T-minus 4 minutes.
Strong back is retracted.
Stage 2 tanks minute.
Strong back is fully retracted. FTS is on internal power. FTS is armed.
GNC verify nominal stage 2 TVC motion.
Closing out of helium fill.
LD verify go for launch.
Stand by on that call, LC.
Stage 1 tanks at flight pressure. Final M1D chill.
Rock verify range go.
Range green.
Hold.
Terminal count abort.
All stations proceed to 10.61, terminal count abort.
Launch director on countdown 1. Hold. Stop the clock, LC.
Clock stopped. CE set warnings phase to terminal count abort. VC verify terminal count abort has started and terminal count is no longer running.
Verified. Terminal count on board's running.
DC verify we are not in startup.
Verified.
Not in startup.
GCVT reactivate FireX if fire is present.
Copy.
Secured.
OSM verify ready to safe FTS and report.
OSM ready to safe FTS.
OSM set verify launch enable to inhibit.
Inhibit.
GC prop AVI and LC, are you ready for strong back raise? Verify the cradle arms are fully open and clear of the rocket.
Props ready. GC's ready.
LC's ready.
AVI ready for strong back raise?
AVI is ready.
Copy.
DC verify Dragon has aborted and is in a stable configuration.
Dragon has aborted and is in manual.
Strong back raise started.
GC verify fill manifolds are vented. Stage 1, Stage 2 locks and RP interfaces.
Verified.
GC verify all water systems are safe.
Saved.
GC verify TVC tank vented.
Vented.
GC verify TTEB system is safe.
Saved.
GC verify LOX load is in a stable configuration.
Lux load is stable.
And the countdown has aborted for this morning.
Towards the disarmed FTS on external power, FTS state is saved.
Copy.
Have an issue that developed fairly late in the terminal count.
To see you on countdown, I'm going to brief the anomaly on the anomaly net.
And what appears to have happened is some actuator drift fairly late in the count on the thrust vector control system that would have triggered automatic abort in the final portion of the countdown. Don't have all the information on the problem other than there was some actuator drift that was gradually becoming a problem that would have actually terminated the terminal count automatically.
Cradle close started.
So that actuator drift issue will have to be resolved before Friday's launch attempt. And our launch time on Friday for Friday's launch attempt is 5:09 a.m. But once again, the launch countdown has been terminated for today due to a Falcon 9 launch vehicle issue that will be resolved over the next couple of days before a launch attempt on Friday at 5:09.
Cradle close complete.
LC Rock, count on it.
LC.
Just want to pass. Range is red.
Copy.
And the strongback has returned to position.
GC prop and LC, are you ready to vent the tanks?
Prop's ready. JC's ready.
LC's ready.
Copy. Tanks vented. Falcon switching back to external power.
Vehicles on external power.
AVI instruct BC to cycle power on transmitters to keep the temperatures within launch limits.
Copy and work.
Attention on the countdown net. The vehicle is now safed. Please stand by for a briefing by LD on the abort.
LD on countdown 1, LC. The team is looking into the second stage TVC actuator, but go ahead and scrub for today, given the instantaneous window. So please proceed with scrubbing, offloading propellants. Copy.
Attention on countdown net. This ends our operations on countdown net. We'll move all operations back to launch vehicle net. OSM, reestablish roadblocks at the BDA for launch scrub.
We'll put it in work.
This is Falcon Launch Control. Once again, we did scrub for today. The scrub occurred at T-minus 1 minute 28 seconds. And it was due to second stage issues related to the actuators on the second stage, an actuator drift, which was detected late in the count. Once again, our launch attempt on Friday is currently planned to occur at 5:09 a.m. on Friday. Our launch coverage on NASA television would start at 4 a.m. And if this abort had not been called by the launch team, it would have triggered an abort automatically in the terminal count. But the understanding at this early point is that the thrust vector control system actuators had a drift which would not have permitted an acceptable liftoff today as far as the second stage. First stage appears to have performed nominally and was ready for launch. So right now the team is preparing to detank the rocket. think the launch team is still looking at the vehicle data, get a better resolution of the issue. And the team is taking the opportunity to look at some other minor issues that came up in the terminal countdown phase. And I have received word that there will not be a post-scrub news conference, news briefing. But for further information on the circumstances surrounding the scrub and our status of our next launch attempt currently planned for Friday, you can go to www.nasa.gov/SpaceX. So at this time, this will conclude our launch countdown coverage for the SpaceX CRSS-5 mission. This is Falcon Launch Control.